Today we continue the chapter Nature of Fiber, part 3 on page 45. Today's concept is silk and its extraction process. Silk is a natural fiber which is obtained from silkworms. Silk was first discovered in China. Silk fiber is a natural protein fiber. It is made up of the protein called fibroin. For the large scale production of silk or the commercial purpose, we select the kind of silkworm called Bombyx mori. What is sericulture? It is a process of rearing of silkworm for the production of raw silk. China and Japan are the leading producer of silk. They produce 50% of world silk production. Now let us move to characteristics of silk. Silk is a naturally occurring animal protein fiber. It is as strong as steel thread. It shines and also repels dust. Silk cloth is more comfortable to wear in both warm and cold weather because it is a bad conductor of heat. It reacts with strong alkalis and acids. Now let us move to four different stages of life cycle of silkworm. The first life cycle is egg clusters. The female silkworm lays around 400 eggs on mulberry leaves. These eggs are warmed to suitable temperature to hatch larvae from the eggs. The next life cycle is silkworm. It can be called as larva or caterpillar. These larvae feed day and night on these mulberry leaves. After 35 days, they are 10,000 times heavier than what they were. During this time, they shed their skin 4 times. When silkworm stops eating, it attaches to the piece of straw. Now it is ready to spin a silk cocoon. The next stage is pupa or cocoon. At this stage, it starts spinning a cocoon to hold itself. It is a continuous fiber. This fiber is made of protein fibroin, which is secreted by the glands. The gum produced by this larva is sericin. The gum sericin is helped for cementing the two filaments together. Slowly, this silk cocoon solidifies when it comes in contact with the air. When this process is completed, the silkworm goes for resting for 2 to 3 weeks. To make a cocoon, silkworm spins approximately 1 mile of filament within 2 to 3 days. The final stage of silkworm is silk moth. Silk moth comes out by breaking the cocoon. The fluid which is secreted by the silk moth help them to escape from the cocoon. Now we are going to learn how to extract silk from cocoons. Different processes involved in extraction of silk are sorting, softening and reeling. Sorting is the process of grouping the cocoons based on its color, size and shape. Basically, cocoons are white and yellow in color. The next process is softening. Cocoons are put in hot and cold water to soften the material sericin which bind the protein fibers. The next process is reeling. It is a process of unwinding the silk filament from the cocoon. One cocoon contains approximately 1000 yards of silk filament. To get 1 kg of silk filament, we need more than 5000 cocoons. What is raw silk? Raw silk is a thread reeled from the unprocessed cocoons. In raw silk, the material sericin is not removed, so it is called raw silk. These unwound threads are joined to form yarn. This yarn is packed into bundles. Beeling is a process of rolling the cloth into round bundles for packaging. Likewise, more than 70 different varieties of silk moths are being used for economic purposes. The shimmering effect of the silk is because of its refraction of light. It acts as a prism. When light rays falls on it, they refract the light. That is the reason silk cloths shine always.